NZ is the Internet Country Code top-level domain for New Zealand. It is administered by Internet NZ through its subsidiary, NZ Registry Services, with oversight and dispute resolution handled by the Domain Name Commission Limited. Registrations are processed by authorised registrars. As of March 2011 there were 433,183 registered NZ domains. History: as with many long-standing domain registries, the registry was maintained informally for some time. The first formally recognized administrative organization was the University of Waikato until the responsibility was delegated to Internet NZ when it was formed in 1995. Prior to the current structure, the registry operator of NZ was Domains. Historically, Domains was a subsidiary of Internet NZ which also operated as a registrar and vendor of other add-on services such as DNS. This combination of a natural monopoly and vertical integration was seen by some as restricting competition, so Internet NZ moved to separate the provision of registry services into a separate organization with strong oversight. The final part of this transition process was the sale of Domains to Melbourne IT in August 2003. From April 1, 2008 the Office of the Domain Name Commissioner became the Domain Name Commission Limited, a subsidiary company of Internet NZ. Second-level domains, as is the case with most other English-speaking countries apart from the USA, Canada and Republic of Ireland, there are a number of second-level domains that identify whether the user is a company, a non-commercial organization, government body or other classification. In October 2013, Internet NZ decided to allow domain names to be registered at the second level in the NZ domain namespace, aligning the NZ domain namespace with a majority of other top-level domains that already allow registrations directly at the second level. Unlike many other English-speaking countries, New Zealand uses GOVT instead of GOV for government bodies, hence the second-level domain GOVT-NZ. There are also sub-level domains unique to New Zealand, such as Iwi NZ and the broader Maori NZ, for Maori Iwi and other organizations respectively, and Geek NZ for geeks. The following second-level domains are in use with their official descriptions. Unmoderated, AC NZ Euro tertiary educational institutions and related organizations, CO NZ Euro organizations pursuing commercial aims and purposes, Geek NZ Euro for people who are concentrative, technically skilled and imaginative who are generally adept with computers, Gen NZ Euro individuals and other organizations not covered elsewhere, Kiwi NZ Euro for people or organizations that associate with being Kiwi, Maori NZ Euro Maori people, groups, and organizations, .NET NZ Euro organizations and service providers directly related to the NZ Internet, Org NZ Euro not-for-profit organizations, School NZ Euro primary, secondary and preschools and related organizations, moderated, CRI NZ Euro Crown Research Institutes, GOVT NZ Euro national, regional and local government organizations operating with statutory powers. The Government Registrar, DNS GOVT NZ controls registration. A government portal operates at www.govt.nz, Health NZ Euro health organizations, Iwi NZ Euro traditional Maori tribes, Harper, or Tōrahia groups. Available from Register Iwi NZ, MIL NZ Euro the military organization of the NZ government Euro the New Zealand Defence Force, Parliament NZ Euro reserved for parliamentary agencies, offices of Parliament, and parliamentary political parties and their elected members, previously used. The domain Archie NZ also existed for an Archie search engine server operated by the University of Waikato until the mid-1990s. Since only some of the domains are moderated, it is possible to register outside of the area intended. Registry software and protocol. The NZ Registry uses open-source software, which is periodically published on SourceForge. The protocol used by this software has non-repudiation built into it using PGP, and unlike COM there is no concept of locking domains. Euro transferring a domain requires only knowledge of a secret called a UDAI key which business rules dictate is sent to registrants during registration. This prevents domain hijacking. The protocol was contemporary with EPP, and due to these extra design features is now being ratified as an Internet RFC. Maori domain names. On July 22, 2010, the Domain Name Commission announced that NZ domain names with macron vowels would be available from the following week to allow Maori language words to be correctly represented in domain names. References. External links: IANA-NZ HOIS Information, NZ Registry Services, NZ Domain Name Commission, List of NZ authorized registrars.